Okay, class 10. First of all, good morning everyone. I think all of you are safe and are in good shape. Last 5 to 6 days, we have to deal with not only corona also, the Umpun effect also. So I guess all of you are safe. So now we're gonna start the remaining sums of the chapter number 15.2. These should be short answer type question. So this is sum number 12.1. So the sum is in the adjoining figure, O is the center of BOA is the diameter of the circle. A tangent drawn to a circle at the point P intersect the extended BA at the point T. If angle PBO equal to 30 degree, let us find the value of angle PTA. So therefore, the diagram should be like this one. So first of all, this angle is given as 30 degree. In triangle OBP, OB equal to OP radius. So therefore the opposite angles of this triangle are equal. So therefore opposite angle OPB equal to angle OBP equal to 30 degree. So this angle also is 30 degree. Now OP is the radius. So OP perpendicular to PT. OP is the radius and PT is the tangent. So OP always perpendicular to PT. So therefore angle OPT equal to 90 degree. We know that. So this is 90 degree. So angle BPT equal to 90 degree plus 30 degree equal to 120 degree. So this total angle should be 90 degree plus 30 degree 120 degree. So therefore in triangle BPT, angle PTA or angle PTB equal to 180 degree minus, in a triangle all the three sums of the angle is 180 degree. The two angles are 30 degree plus 120 degree. So the remaining angle should be 180 degree minus 30 degree plus 120 degree. So therefore PTA and PTB both are same. So PTA equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree equal to 30 degree. This is sum number 2. In the adjoining figure, triangle ABC circumscribes a circle and touches the circle at the points PQR. If AP equal to 4 cm, BP equal to 6 cm and AC equal to 12 cm and BC equal to x centimeter, let us determine the value of x. So here we have to find the value of x. So first of all we have to draw the diagram. First we have to draw a circle. So this is the circle. Now we have to draw the tangents. So first This is tangent number 1. This is tangent number 2. And this is tangent number 3. So this is the diagram where A, B, C, this is P, this is Q, and this is R. So we know that AP equal to 4 centimeter, BP equal to 6 centimeter, and AC equal to 12 centimeter. Previously in this chapter we know that from any external point we can draw two equal length of tangent to the circle. So therefore here from the point A, we can say that AP and AR is the tangent, so therefore AP equal to AR. So AP is 4 centimeter, so AR equal to 4 centimeter. We know that AC equal to 12 centimeter. So if AC equal to 12 centimeter and this is 4, this is 4, so CR equal to 12 minus 4, 8 centimeter. Now we know that BP equal to 6 centimeter, this is 6. So we can say that BP from the point B, BP equal to BQ equal to 6 centimeter, and from the point C, CR equal to CQ. So CR equal to CQ. Previously we find that CR equal to 8 centimeter. So CR equal to CQ equal to 8 centimeter. So therefore BC equal to BQ plus CQ. So BQ is 6 centimeter and CQ is 8 centimeter. So 6 plus 8, 14 centimeter. So the value of X is 14. Okay, first of all, sorry for one thing. So I think this previously we do the sum number 11 part 1, 2 and 3, and we have skipped that 11 number 4 and 11 number 5. So I think 11 number 4 and 11 number 5 is also very important for the fill in the blanks, for the short question, one marks question. So first you have to write 11 part 1, 2, 3, and after that 12, 1, 2, and after that you can write 11, 4 and 5. You if anyone want to write in the systematical order, he or she can write that. So now first of all we have to discuss it. The answer is simply, if you want to do in MCQ type question, the answer is 8 centimeter. But how this is 8 centimeter we have to find by draw this diagram. So first, two different type of circles, one is radius is 5 and another radius is 3 centimeter. This is one and this is another. Now let us assume that first of all I just use this type of things. If you want to draw with compass and pencil, you can draw that. So here I just take assuming those values, not only take this 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter apparently. So therefore you know this is the short circle or shorter circle, and this is the broad circle. So here this is the radius of 3 centimeter and this is the radius of 5 centimeter. So if you're gonna join that, if this is center of P and this is center of Q and this is touches at O, we know that PO equal to 3 centimeter and QO equal to 5 centimeter. So if we're gonna join that, so PQ equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8 centimeter. So this is a 1 marks question. So you have to write, or you have to fill in the blanks with only just writing 8 centimeter. Don't draw this diagram. Here we discuss these things, why the answer is 8 centimeters. So here I draw and discuss in this way. But I think this type of question is in the MCQ or in the short answer type question for 1 marks. So you don't explain it why this is 8 centimeter. Only just tick or only just write 8 centimeter. Sum number 5. The lengths of the radius of two circles are 3.5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. The two circles touch each other internally. The distance between the centers of the two circles is, you see, these two type of sum are the vice versa sum or the opposite sum. Here the two circles touch each other externally. Here the two circles touch each other internally. So here we did the addition. Here we have to do the subtraction. So therefore the answer is 3.5 minus 2. But why the answer is 3.5 minus 2 equal to 1.5 centimeter? So here we have to discuss this by draw these diagrams. So first of all, this is the larger circle and this is the shorter circle. This is a perfect example of two circles with different radius touch each other internally. Is the point of intersection. Now this is the center of the smaller circle and this is the center of the larger circle. So P is the center of the smaller circle and Q is the center of the larger circle, and this point is O. So therefore we know that OP equal to 2 centimeter. Why? P is the center of the smaller circle and O is a point on the perimeter also, and O is the intersection point of the two circles at internally, touch each other at internally. So therefore OP equal to 2 centimeter and OQ equal to 3.5 centimeter. So therefore we have to find this distance. So PQ equal to OQ minus OP equal to 3.5 minus 2 equal to 1.5 centimeter. So this is the answer.